In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and print labels directly from Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a busy professional needing to send out mailings or just organizing items at home, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, start by opening a new blank document in Google Docs. We'll be using this as our starting point to build the label sheet. You don't need to type anything on the page just yet, as the tool we'll use will create a new template for us. While Google Docs has many built-in features, it doesn't have a native label making tool. To accomplish this, we'll need to use an add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. These are trusted third-party applications that extend the functionality of Google Docs, and there are many excellent free options available. To find an add-on, navigate to the main menu at the top of your screen and click on Extensions. From the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons. This action will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new pop-up window where you can browse and install various tools. Now, inside the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into this search bar and type Labelmaker. You'll see several options appear. For this tutorial, we will be using the Labelmaker add-on, which is a very popular and highly rated choice for creating all kinds of labels, including Avery templates. After you've installed the add-on, which only takes a moment, you can close the Marketplace window. Now, return to the Extensions menu. You should now see Labelmaker in your list of installed add-ons. Hover over it, and from the new menu that appears, click Create Labels. This will launch the Labelmaker tool in a sidebar on the right side of your document. The next step is to choose a template that matches the label sheets you plan to print on. In the Labelmaker sidebar, click the Select a Template button. A list of popular label formats will appear. You can search by product number or browse. We'll select the Avery US Letter 5160 Easy Peel Address Labels, a very common format. Once selected, click the Use button to apply it. Your document now transforms into a grid that matches the dimensions of your selected label sheet. You only need to design the very first label in the top left corner. Click inside this box and type your desired text. You can format this text using the standard Google Docs toolbar, change the font, size, alignment, or make it bold, just as I'm doing here. Once you are happy with the design of your first label, look back at the Labelmaker sidebar and click the blue Create Labels button. The add-on will now take the content and formatting from your first label and automatically replicate it across every other label on the page. This process usually takes just a few seconds. When the process is complete, you'll see a success message. To view the final document, click Open and Print Labels. This will open a new, separate Google Doc that contains your full sheet of finished labels. This new document is what you will actually print from. It's automatically saved to your Google Drive. Finally, to print your labels, go to the File menu in the top left corner of this new document and then scroll down and select Print. This will open the standard print preview window, allowing you to confirm your settings before sending the job to your printer. Make sure you have your label paper loaded correctly. In the print settings, double-check that the destination is set to your printer and that the paper size matches your label sheets. It's crucial that the margins are set to default and the scale is at 100% to ensure the text aligns perfectly with the physical labels. Once everything looks correct, you can proceed to print. And there you have it. You've successfully created a full sheet of printable labels in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.